Today, we will discuss NetBeans and VS Code. Essentially, the primary function of both programs is to offer platform for authoring and managing code. Despite having different methods and advantages, they both have the fundamental features required to contemporary software development. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. NetBeans is an integrated development environment or IDE in its entirety. This indicates that it offers a full range of software development capabilities in a single application, such as code editing, debugging, compilation, and project management. Java programming has always been a strong suit, but PHP, C++, and HTML5 are also supported, provides robust built-in debugging and project management tools. VS Code, through extensions, this sophisticated yet lightweight code editor may be transformed into a full-fledged programming environment, extremely adaptable, supporting a wide range of technologies and programming languages. Incredibly adaptable because of its vast extension library. It is effective for a variety of development jobs because it is quick and lightweight. All in all, both include robust code editing tools like formatting, syntax highlighting, and code completion. These characteristics improve developer efficiency and reduce errors. Although the two platforms handle extensibility differently, like NetBeans with plugins, VS Code with extensions, both allow developers to add new features to their development environment.